Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Hey, yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt again. Yeah, man, Deva Bratt with Kruze featuring RealestGad, Pelpieblackz, Murdah Mike, and Elquent DiDon. Yes, Elquent DiDon. Yeah, me get it right. Me can read it now. Me can read it a little bit, man. Yes, with Kruze. We're going to jump in on and see what the G have to say. But before we start that, let me just do one thing. Deva Bratt, thank you, bro. Thank you for listening, bro. Thank you for listening. These thumbnails look a lot better than how it was before. So thank you for listening, bro. Appreciate that, my G. Yes, them thumbnails are more easy on the eye. You can see they are done with thoughts of going towards the public. So big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my G. Big up again. Let's go. Let's go. Kruze, we're Kruze.
As for me just roll out the black palm black drop top. Champagne a pop, gal booty clap. Me team a chop, a clean attack. A weedy wall of the gal them a pre. Gal say she want Kruze, so me say alright then. She and her friend a jumping on the car then. In a new Marshall a deal with it on them. Me verse them sashes so me balance it them.
Pull up, yo, pull up.
Deva Bratt.
As for me just roll out the black palm black drop top. Champagne a pop, gal booty clap. Me team a chop, a clean attack. A weedy wall of the gal them a pre. Gal say she want Kruze, so me say alright then. She and her friend a jumping on the car then. In a new Marshall a deal with it on them. Me verse them sashes so me balance it them. Boy violate straight violence it them. Walter PPK with the silence it them. Kong in a the soup boy a boy left for them. The pin file and them for dead we have a Kyle left for them. This spaceship just slip up. Anywhere we touch down the whole place get up. Who for head no earth them catch pick up. Nine ball in a eye ball boy piss up. No play loose ball so nothing say I kick up. Black talent make bulletproof vest.
What more can I do?
As for me just roll out the black palm black drop top. Champagne a pop, gal booty clap. Me team a chop, a clean attack. A weedy wall of the gal them a pre. Gal say she want Kruze, so me say alright then. She and her friend a jumping on the car then. In a new Marshall a deal with it on them. Me verse them sashes so me balance it them. Boy violate straight violence it them. Walter PPK with the silence it them. Kong in a the soup boy a boy left for them. The pin file and them for dead we have a Kyle left for them.
What?
This spaceship just slip up. Anywhere we touch down the whole place get up. Who for head no earth them catch pick up. Nine ball in a eye ball boy piss up. No play loose ball so nothing say I kick up. Black talent make bulletproof vest rip up. They get wine and tip up the clip them all a tip up. Bad gal may pick up my gun. Pick up.
Get weak when she feel the bad beef. Pull up our feet, a Gucci print out on me touchy concrete. Jump on the eye, we a do the top speed. Drop the sunroof, let in the cool breeze. Hey, I'm a full of style, me no know how me do it. Cause any girl folk man turn I'm in a freak. Then girl I got skills, me no feel no teeth. When she a give me teeth, short not
roll out the black one black.
Jeans them chop sneakers just drop. Zip round my neck and some in on my backpack. In my drop top, that's straight cash. Getting lots of money, yeah. We living life, yeah, we do this. Yeah. Every night's like a movie, yeah. Cruising the Benz, cruising.
One team out, clean out and touching out. I grade puffing out, y'all like nothing out. Wine I'm rocking out, colleague open out. I'm cutting out, y'all work something out. I straight to my house, so make her drive out. Your girl no reach home that you want her about. She still a listen to the song you want her about. The girl in the house and him a call her out.
Me and my new crew, Kruze show real smooth too. Nothing but VVS's and fresh new shoe. Yeah, me have a chopper, me girl have a toto. Stop a celebrity, cut and go link the clean crew. You know we do, no, we no go low. Banga and G rule, link the girl let me know the crew. Crack a down, cups up, champagne and splash with flare too. And the RR red than the blue. I saw me just pull out the black palm black drop top. Champagne a pop, girl booty clap clap clap. Me team a chop, a clean attack. A we the whole of the girl them a pre. Girl say she want cruise, so me say alright then. She and her friend a jumping on the car then. In a new Marshall a deal with it on them. My verse them sashi so me balance it them. Boy violate straight violence it them. Walter PPK with the silence it them. Caught in a the soup boy a boy left for them. The pin file and them for dead we have a Kyle left for them.
This spaceship just lift up. Anywhere we touch on the whole place, get up, get up. Who for earth, no earth, them catch hiccup. Dime ball in a eye ball, boy, piss up. No play loose ball, so nothing say I kick up. Black talent make bulletproof vest rip up. They get wine and tip up the clip, them all a tip up. Bad girl we pick up my gun, pick up.
Get weak when she fit the bad beef full of our feet. A Gucci print out, come and touch the concrete. Jump on the highway, I do the top speed. Drop the sunroof, let in the cool breeze. I am a full of style, me no know how me do it. Cause any damn 4 man turn I'm in a free. Them gyal I got skills, me no feel no teeth. When she a give me deep short, not front seat.
Yo! What can I say? Everybody drop song, you fuck. Everybody drop song, you fuck. All 3 songs a day, bro. Me can't keep up, me G. Me can't keep up. Guys, if you don't want more Deva Bratt reaction, say more Deva Bratt. If you don't want more Deva Bratt, left in the comment section and say more Deva Bratt. Eh? What more can I do? What more can I do? Deva Bratt, you need to link me up with G. Personally, you need to link me up with G. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up yourself. What you guys think about this one, though? Big up all the artists and Panda one. Deva Bratt, big up yourself for Awesome G. Don't know. Big up the production team. Crucial. Yes, man. Crucial conflict. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself. Yes, man. Yes, good man. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 music. Big up all the artists. Them. RealestGad, Pelpieblackz, Murdah Mike, Elquent, DiDon, and Kruze 45. Yes, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, though.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.